Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the removed device discoverable. Press and hold the specific pairing button until the LED flashes or the voice prompt says pairing. On your phone or computer, open Bluetooth settings and keep the list visible. This is where you'll accept the device. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and the system will scan. If the device was previously removed, you may need to refresh or toggle Bluetooth off then on to force a new discovery attempt. Once the device appears, select it immediately. Devices can time out. You'll often see a numeric code or confirm prompt. Compare numbers on both devices and accept to authorize. If a PIN is requested, try 0000 or 1234 or check the device label. Entering the correct code finalizes trust. After authorization, grant any permission prompts for calls or media so functionality works. If pairing stalls, cancel and retry. Because repeated attempts clear you finish by confirming the device shows as connected and running a quick test. Play audio or use a call function to verify. If performance is poor, move devices closer and remove obstacles. Once done, restart both gadgets to clear temporary issues. Make sure firmware or OS updates aren't pending, because outdated software breaks pairing. If nothing works, reset the removed device to factory defaults or clear Bluetooth cache on your host device. That often resolves persistent pairing conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.